Traveling can be so fun and exciting, but the packing though, packing can be a pain. And as a creative, there's a ton of random things I need to carry with me. My sanity, my 3 hours of sleep, and of course, how could we forget? The camera, yes. I usually have such a hard time planning and packing before any trip, but lately, since I've been traveling more, I think I've gotten the hang of it. Today, I'll be showing you how I pack to create on the go. I'll be sharing how I plan, what I pack, and how I stay sane through it all. I'll be leaving to Vancouver for 2 weeks to visit my boyfriend and to attend a friend's wedding. And although I'll be away, I'll still need to keep up with my workload for this channel. First, I plan out what exactly I need so I don't overpack. Like the organized control freak I am, I make all of my lists on Notion and consider what is necessary for this trip. From my clothes, to toiletries, to the camera gear I'll be bringing with me. For this trip, I decided to pick up this 5-piece packing cube set from Target. I usually throw all of my clothes straight into my luggage, but now I'll be able to organize my items neatly into these little compartments. I'll be packing some shirts and tops, my undergarments and socks. I've learned to always pack a little more than you need, just in case. Blouses for some nights out, and of course the dress I'll be wearing to my friend's wedding. And some sweaters, cause it's still a little chilly out. Next are my bottoms. I've packed a few pants that'll match with literally every single top I'm bringing. Then some leggings, athletic wear in case we hike, and then some t-shirts to sleep in. For my makeup and skincare, I like to put them in some plastic Ziploc bags just in case something spills or makes a mess. Cause I'm not getting my clothes dirty, no. I've been there, done that. And now to put everything in. And the most satisfying part, guys, is the fact that these packing cubes fit perfectly into my luggage. Thank the Lord. I'm bringing 2 extra pairs of shoes, which I'll bag so they don't get the luggage dirty. As for my backpack, this is where I store all of my tech and my gear. I've had this backpack for 7 years now, and it's still working fine for me. So I'm looking to upgrade to something padded to ensure that my gear stays safe. So if you have any recommendations, please comment them down below. I'm bringing my Canon M50 and the 15 to 45mm, and although it's the kit lens, I find that it does the job and work really well for vlogging. A must for on the go is my Mantis pod. This is probably the best vlogging tripod I've ever used. It snaps into all sorts of positions to suit every sort of setting. It's sturdy, lightweight, compact, and fits perfectly into any tote or backpack. The multifunctionality and the way it sticks onto literally any space sold me. So worth. Next are my extra camera batteries, my battery charger, and the hard drive so I can transfer all of my files over. For editing, I carry my MacBook Pro 16-inch with me. It goes into its little designated laptop sleeve, as well as my laptop charger, mouse, and adapter. For listening to audio while I edit, I'm packing my Technica M50X. These are my go-to for everything. The sound quality is amazing, and its uses are super versatile. I like to bring along my iPad Pro as well to work on animations and drawings for my videos. Recently, I got the Logitech Folio Touch case, which makes it so much more enjoyable to write my scripts and work on the go when I don't feel like bringing my laptop with me. I can easily switch back and forth from using it like a laptop to using it as a tablet. I've got to have my notebook and pen in case I need to jot down anything important. And lastly, for my wires, I individually wrap them up and put them in this pouch. Well, that wraps it up for my packing. I may or may not have forgotten a few things. I find that it's always like that, even with a list. But maybe it's just me, I don't know. Overall, I'm super content with the things that I've packed. I know I've got the essentials for a day out in the city, or a day editing at a cafe. Working on the go could be a hassle, but it doesn't have to be. Anyways, thanks so much for watching. Now to catch this flight. Bye!